Hello everybody, how are we all? Now this one, you're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. I'm going to keep an open mind. I don't like the stuff, but we're going to give it a go. We're going to be doing a Marmite. Let's get the book. Marmite cookbook. I got sent this a few weeks ago. I haven't done one yet. I was going to do it on a live stream, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to go live this week. So I'm going to get a few videos going. A few in front for you to be able to see. Got a few things to do. But in the meantime, we're going to do that. And we're going to see what happens. Right then, what we got. So I've got one rump steak. Actually, I'll show you the ingredients. Let me show you. Let me get the page. We're doing a seared beef and bean sprout wrap. That's all you need, look. Nice and simple. With them pancakes, I went everywhere to try and just get some, but I couldn't. So I've had to just buy, you know, the ducks and pancakes, and I've just took the pancakes out of there, and I used the ducks, you know, the shredded duck you get. I got them from Iceland another time. But that's all it is. Seared beef and bean sprout wrap. 2 plates in the oven. Well, I'm not going to put it in the oven. I'm going to do them in the microwave to warm them through for 30 seconds. So that'll be good enough. Put the beef and the peppers into a bowl. Add the sesame oil and the Marmite. Mix well together. Blah, blah, blah. Eat the wok. Fry. Nice and simple, guys. Nice and simple. Well, that's what we're going to do. So first things first. Let me dice the beef. Wow, shred the beef, not dice it. Nice and thin. I got this beef from, this rump steak from Tesco today. Bit of that fat. I'll cut that fat bit off there. Don't want the fat. Get rid of that. Just shred it all up into little pieces. It was £4. I think this beef was £4.90 something. I think it was. Something like that. It feels a lot better than the Aldi one, that's for sure. And we just dice it up, guys. Well, not dice, Keith, not dice. Shred it up into little thin pieces. And I think I'll cut some of them longer ones in half as well. Like so. That'll do. We'll put them into a bowl. Next, we want half a red pepper. I'll probably use it all. Half. I'm half there. I'm just dice this up nice and thin. Get rid of the membrane. We don't want that bit. If we can help it. Good old nice and thin. Because we're going to stir fry it, guys, so we want it to do quick. And then all them can go into a bowl. That's that done. Nice and simple. I just used half in the end. Now, we want a tablespoon of sesame oil. One of them. And a teaspoon of the lovely, good old Marmite. Oh, yes. No, thank you. Oh, a teaspoon of that in. We'll get that in. Look at it. Look at this stuff. People have always told me, when I've done these Marmite things before, I'm putting way too much on. You know what I mean? Well, I don't like the stuff anyway, so there we go then. Next, I'm going to get my wok steaming hot. And in the meantime, I'm going to warm them up in the microwave for 20 seconds. The wok is steaming. Bit of oil. Get that round. As I say, we're going to stir fry until the meat's nearly done. A couple of minutes maybe max. Get it in. Hey, it smells nice. I can smell that Marmite though. Bring on the flames. Bring on the flames. Now for the last 2 minutes, guys, a handful or two of bean sprouts. I think that'll do us. For the last 2 minutes. And then we will dish up. Okay, there is my wraps. 30 seconds I was in, that's all. Couple of them. Nice and simple, this one I think, guys. Nice and simple. One. Two. Oh, they're hot. And we'll get a little bit, oh, not even in, look. We'll get a little bit of goodness on there, and we'll have a crack. Oh, some bean sprouts on. And we'll get some on there like that. And we're going to have a go, guys. Right, taste test time. So, Nat's refusing to try. I don't blame her. But I'm going to have a go anyway, guys. You can smell the Marmite, 100%. Fly. To be honest with you, that is not bad. I don't like the Marmite taste. I just don't like it. But it's not bad. It needs some sauce on there. Some sweet sauce probably it needs. But apart from that, yeah. Sure don't want to try any, babe? No, thank you. Yeah, just needs that something, guys. That was just a simple one a simple one of the old Marmites, I mean. There's sort of a lot more in there, which I will do a bit more complicated one. That was one just to start, really. Yeah, let me know whether you like Marmite, whether you hate it. What do you think? I've come in with an open mind. It's not bad. It's not something I'd have all the time because of the Marmite. Well, maybe a bit of sweet chilli sauce on there or something. You'd be laughing. Anyway, as I say, I am the old food guy. Till the next time, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.